Welcome, today I'm with XIAOMI 11T Pro and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first go to the settings application and here scroll down with your finger to the sounds and vibration section. Now you can see here the notification sound, the ringtone sound, the alarm sound. You can choose one of these sounds, for example. You can change all of them. Here you can adjust the volume of your media, your ringtone, of your alarm. Here you can just go to the sound assistance and there are the settings. Also you got here the silent mode. You can turn on this mode if you want by tap here on the switcher. Okay, also we got here the don't disturb option. Also you can just remove the vibration when someone will call you. Also if you want to turn it on, just tap here also to the switcher. Now we'll go here to the additional settings, and as can you see, we can hear the tap sounds. When you tap here on this switcher, you can hear all your taps if you open, for example, applications. Also we can turn on the dial pad tones. Now if you, for example, will call to someone, you can hear your pad tones. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.